What a gorgeous car, just in, direct off the last owner who we've dealt with before. This is absolutely stunning. A proper four-seater convertible in this very, very rare Utopia blue metallic. It is absolutely stunning. Around £3,800 worth of options, including the 19-inch alloy wheels. Just looks absolutely stunning. A5 2-litre TDI S-Line Special Edition Cabriolet automatic, 177 brake horsepower. It is just stunning, great to drive. Let's take you all the way around it to show you exactly how nice this car is. It's got front and rear parking sensors, including reverse camera. Bodywork is just beautiful. All the loading area, no damage, no scuffs, no scratches, beautifully clean. Very good sized boot. The car's also got a detachable tow bar, which the last owner fitted. Car comes with a spare wheel. Very good sized boot, as I mentioned, but it's also got split folding rear seats, so you can drop those down. Very quick and easy. Just flick those little levers there, and presto. So just because it's a Cabriolet doesn't mean you can't have a usable car. All the bodywork is just magnificent. 2014 on a 64 plate. No dents, no scratches, no scuffs, no little dings all down the sides. All the wheels are in beautiful condition. Just the odd tiny mark on the odd one, but otherwise no big chunks, no major damage. All the tyres in great condition. A matching set of tyres all the way around. Full black leather. So there's the through load with the seats down. Simply clip them back. You've got a proper four-seater convertible down. All down the sides. It is just stunning. Get the near side front wheel. Again, as you can see, great condition. All across the front parking sensors. Again, no major damage across the front. Obviously you're going to get the odd stone chip or two, age and the miles of the vehicle, but it really is very, very nice. And this is why we do the videos, to show you full transparency, nothing to hide. It's like you getting around the car with your hands and knees with me to show you all the way around. Again, that wheel there, just a bit of tyre shine on there, but otherwise very good condition. And again, the final wheel, as I mentioned, it has got Continental matching tyres all the way around. And again, the wheel and tyre, very good. Let's show you this beautiful inside. It's a nice, comfortable four-seater. All the driver's door trim in great condition. Got the aluminium trim as well. Bit of storage there. Front sport seats, and that little button there is the heating on your neck. So that was an option. Of course, you got the sport seats, just comfortable on there. So S-Line embossed across the top with the heating on your neck on there. A great feature, well worth having. Leather multifunction sport steering wheel. With a mileage of just 66254. Satellite navigation, nice big clear screen, DAB radio. Just scroll through, nice and easy to scroll through the stereo system. It's also got a Bang & Olufsen upgraded stereo. CD SD card input. Heated front seats, again that was an option of the vehicle. And the whole media center is controlled from there, so you've got navigation, Bluetooth phone connection, radio, media input, all the menu there, shown clearly on the dashboard. Got the vehicle settings. So nice clear menu. Media input. Of course, get the sound system just perfect. It really sounds terrific, the B&O system. So you can play about with that to get it exactly how you like to receive the sound. Of course, the dual zone climate control. Reverse camera with the guidelines, just making it nice and easy for parking. Got the onboard computer with a menu in front of you. Cruise control. Just sounds great, the B&O sound system. And the power hood was all controlled from there. Just look how quick this is. Very sleek, very fast, fully automatic, so no, only just that one button to press, no catches anywhere. Just look at the speed of that, very sleek. And hey, presto, it's all done. So there we have it, our absolutely stunning Audi A5 S-Line Special Edition Cabriolet in this beautiful, beautiful Utopia blue metallic. Of course, 2 sets of keys, complete book pack, full HPI checked and clear. All the hood absolutely perfect. Of course, you've got a proper glass window, heated. Looks gorgeous with the hood up or the hood down. Full service history, 8 service times by Audi and 1 by Audi VW Specialist, done in June 2023. It's had the cam belt and water pump replaced as well, so all ready to go. Just look at it. Of course, part exchange, always a pleasure. Great finance available direct from ourselves. Use our online finance calculator to work out your HP deals, low deposit, low monthly payments, or simply pick the phone up and give us a call. Happy to talk you through. You can click and reserve this car 24/7 direct to our website. Click and reserve. Come and collect from our showrooms in Stoke-on-Trent. And remember our full money back guarantee if the car is not as we say it is. We'll refund your deposit, no questions asked. Read about our raving fans reviews and see why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. Specialist Cars, a multi-award winning dealer based in Stoke-on-Trent, Staffordshire. We make buying and selling cars a simple, hassle-free process. Our phone number again, 01782 822 700.
So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997, and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition, and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs and MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. And that gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, of exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get updates of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you. Give us a call, 01782 822 700.